Hello and good morning. Welcome to Global Sources Live Sourcing Talk. My name is Cecile and this is Analyst Joyce. This is the second of a series produced in cooperation with the Taiwan Electrical and Electronic Manufacturers Association, or TEEMA. Thanks, TEEMA, for this. In today's episode, we will be discussing the latest, most innovative, creative, and trendy products on the market. In particular, we will talk about the latest consumer electronics from Taiwan. By the way, we are coming to you live through our social media channels on Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. We invited three suppliers to share with us their latest consumer products. And if you have questions or comments later, we'd love to hear from you. Okay, our first guest is Lance Liou, Sales Manager at Brightech International Company Limited. Hello, Lance.
Hi, good morning, sir. How are you?
Hello, yes, I'm fine. You're calling from where in Taiwan?
Yes, Taipei.
Glad that you can be with us today. So,
Okay.
tell us a bit about your company.
Yeah. Good morning, dear guys. This is Lance, I'm the marketing manager from Brightech. I'm very happy to join you today and have the precious opportunity to introduce my company. Many years ago, a small group of young game players were unhappy about their controller, which were not so good enough to help them to win the games. They decided to overcome the challenge and create better gaming equipment themselves. This is why Brightech was born. Until now, Brightech has built up over 10 years OEM and ODM experience in gaming business with our headquarters and design department in New Taipei City, Taiwan. Our branch and assembly factory are located at Shenzhen, China. Together, there are about 300 employees. Our factory is certified with ISO 9001 since year 2008. And most of our products are CE, FCC, or UL certified. Meanwhile, we passed the factory inspection by Walmart in 2011. All of this proves our strict quality control system which ensure the safety of your purchasing. As you can see, we offer full range of TV game, smartphone game, peripheral products. We also specialize in e-sport gaming headset for PlayStation, Xbox, PC, and Nintendo Switch. The major item we offer is include game joystick and controllers, carrying bags and protection cases, power supply and charger stand, earphone and headset, smartphone cooling fans, cables, adapters, and converters. On the other hand, our main advantage comes from our strong engineering department, which they can provide long-term gaming experience to continuously develop new projects. Here, we had provided so many new items to fit buyers' needs. All of these new items will always bring good profit and new markets for customers. Regarding the marketing share distribution, that is about 50% to North America, 20% to Japan, and the rest to Europe and South America. Among them, there are the famous brands like Walmart, Disney, Circle City, CTA from the United States of America, and Hello Kitty of Sanrio, Cybergate from Japan. All those. My company's turnover has declined due to the COVID-19 in the past few years. We plan to invest in new products in coming months. For example, there will be a new model of 7.1 surround sound earphone and headset, the new design of smartphone cooling fans, new style of cross-platforms controllers, and the PSVR2 new accessories. We are strongly confident with increase our annual revenue by 15 to 30%. Thank you all for your time. Okay, let's
Okay.
enjoy our yes.
Yes. You can maybe thank you for that bit of introduction about the company and its products, and we'd like to know two or three of your company's best products.
Ah, our main product is uh, JPEG controller. Yes, this is a unique shape and with a pattern applied for the special controller for PS4 or PS5. That is a removable cover and test-proof and special fabrica. So the player they can control very smoothly and friendly skin touch. Yeah. And the second is our uh, headset for gaming system.
Mhm.
The new product will be a 7-in-1 surround sound effect in the market. Will coming soon. And the third product is the also the controller pad that you
Controller.
can insert a switch screen directly. This also the special shape with the pattern. Apply the pattern in China already. It's with 4 button on the back of the controller. So you can mapping the button function on the back controller. So you can action very quickly when you play all the games.
Okay. Thank you
Yeah.
for sharing with us your products.
Yes.
Okay. Is there something else that you want to show us? Do you have
Oh
a
yes.
video presentation
Uh,
yet?
yeah, we have prepared a video so you can enjoy.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's play it then. Okay. Thanks, Lance, for sharing
Okay.
your products with us. Okay. Now we go to Belen Chen. Product Manager at Cypress Technology Company Limited, or CYP. Hello, Belen.
Hi everyone, Belen Chen, Product Manager at Cypress Technology, also known as CYP.
Yeah. From where in Taiwan are you calling from?
Yeah, we are heading in the New Taipei City, Zhonghe.
Okay. Thanks for being with us today. I understand you prepared a video for our audience.
Yes, I believe
Uh,
through our company profile video, the audience will know more about the CYP. So could you help me to play the video?
yes, please. Yes, we will. Okay. Okay, let's wait for the video. Okay. Okay, it's playing now. Yeah.
So let's,
Yes. Oh, yeah. Some technical issues here, so just wait a bit.
something like this.
Oh, yeah.
Or how about let's go to our product
Okay.
introduction first, then we play the video in the end.
Okay, that's all right. Okay. So this will show us a bit about your company and a bit about your products, right?
Right.
Right. Okay, great. Okay, let's show them.
Yep, so here is my slides. So today I'm going to introduce our wireless presentation system, which we call it the HiShare Pro. Well, let's begin with the agenda. First, I will talk about why you need the HiShare Pro, followed by its use scenario in the enterprise and education fields. Then we'll talk about the unique features of the HiShare Pro and its two different form factors. In the end, I'll provide a summary of the key points. Okay.
Okay.
So first, why you need a high share product, just divided them into four parts. The first one is it frees yourself from messy cables. The second one is as it support multi-view and multi-sharing function. It can support mass deployment with it. So it's very useful for IT department. Third, as it has some built-in collaborations tools, or maybe the screen capture, annotation, and a whiteboard function. It can make a seamless teamwork in the meeting room or in the classroom. The next one is the called BYOD, which means the users can use their own devices like smartphone, like tablet, during the meeting to share their ideas. Okay. So next, what's the benefits to use our HiShare Pro in the enterprise field? There are some more reasons. So the first one is it's compatible with different platforms. So for Windows and Mac OS users, they can use our HiShare Pro app, or they can use the web browser to share their content. And for Android and iOS users, they can still use the HiShare Pro app to share their content through their devices. And for the internet security part, we support the WPA2 and AO2.1x CAP data encryption. So that's one of the most thing for most companies, the main part for them. Okay. And through the building collaborations tools, like I mentioned, the screen capture, whiteboard, and annotation, they can easily do the teamwork to make the meeting more concrete and more efficient.
Yeah.
And how about the benefits in the classroom? So nowadays, as the first one should be the cross-platform supported because you cannot predict which platform of the laptop the teacher use. You may use the Windows or you may use the Mac OS. And the third, nowadays many students bring their own devices to school, especially in the United States. So through our HiShare Pro, they can still share their content to the teacher and to other students through our HiShare Pro app. For the removing function, it means the student who sits far from the teacher can still see the teacher's screen very clearly. Okay. And through the building collaboration tools, we make the traditional one-way teaching classroom into an interactive classroom. And of course, we support a moderation mode, which means the teacher can control which students can content can share to the screen. So that allow the students to share their content anytime in the classroom. And as our hardware Pro supports many unique features, I just divided them into three parts. The first part is direct cast, which means you can use different ways to share your screen. So maybe you can use our Hardware Pro app. You can use the web browser like Chrome or Edge. You can use April or Google Cast, and even our Hardware Pro part, which is a transmitter. For the casting features, the users can enjoy the remote view function, multi-view, multi-sharing, which means the multi-view means multi-sources can be shared to one screen, and the multi-sharing means one sources from the laptop can share to multi-screens. Okay, and also the moderation mode. The teacher can control the presenter, can control the meeting and classroom. And for teamwork features, we support the collaboration tool, like I mentioned, screen capture, whiteboard, and annotation. I just mentioned the annotation means the presenter can add some notes on the screen. So you can make the meeting or make the classroom easily. Support USB back. And the other main feature is we support USB camera over Wi-Fi. In other words, wireless conferencing, which is the new trend in the future.
Okay. Okay.
So nowadays we have two different form factor of the high-speed Pro. The first one is our SDM, which stands for Signal Diversifying Module. Then the other one is a standalone receiver. So maybe now you will confuse what is SDM. So SDM means Signal Diversified Module. It can transmit the audio and video signals in different ways. So the benefit of it is just plug and play. You don't need any extra setting of it. And with CYP provide many flexible selection like the common HDMI, HDST, or we also have some streaming capture module card. So provide flexible selection for our users. So for some gaming users or for some IPC users, they may ask, so is it the same as the Intel SDM? Actually not, because Intel SDM only supports video output. You can just imagine your laptop, your computer only has video output. But with UIP SDM, we have video input and output. And of course, we are compatible with Intel SDM. So here is the appearance of our HDM module card and the platforms. Here you can see our High-Speed Pro module card. It just needs to be slotted in the platform and no extra setting needed. And our platform also have one USB-C, one HDMI input, two HDMI output, all USB-C and HDMI support resolution up to 4K 60, 444. And the USB-C also supports 60-watt power delivery, so the users don't need to worry about the charger of the laptop. And in the front panel, you will see the USB hub of the USB 3.0 and the USB hot section. And for the USB 3.0, you can connect to your USB camera, your keyboard, your mouse. You can make some wired plus wireless conference.
Okay.
For standalone receiver, we choose HDMI and legacy VGA to fulfill most of the requirement in the market because as maybe you know that for most projectors they are only support VGA, but for some
Mhm.
high-end projector they have some HDMI output. So we
Yeah.
choose two form factor for in our product, and the resolution is support up to 4K. And we also have some USB to connect to the mouse flash drive or the touch display to make the classroom, make the meeting room more efficient. And
Mm-hmm.
we also have an optional transmitter. We choose the mainstream USB-C. So USB-C will be the mainstream maybe in more and more common in this world. So we choose USB-C to transform the power, audio, and video connections. And here is a small button reserved for USB camera over Wi-Fi. to do the wireless conferencing.
Okay.
So here, just make some summary keynotes. So our CYP Hardship Pro accommodates the needs in enterprise and in the education fields. Through our ATM or standalone receiver, it can cater different requirements. And the hybrid, which means the wired plus wireless conferencing, is a new trade for this world. So CYP is well prepared for it. Okay, our product has some built-in collaborations tools to facilitate the seamless teamwork. And the last one should be the cross-platform compatibility to support Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS systems. And we offer various unique features, as I say, the remote view, multi-view, multi-sharing functions. Okay, so that concludes today's quick introduction of our HiShare Pro. So I believe if some audience is more interested in our product, you can contact us or maybe contact to CC or you can pass the requirement to us. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Belen. Now we go to our last guest, but certainly not the least, Kevin Chen, Product Manager at Home Resource Industrial Company Limited. Kevin.
Yes. Hi, everyone. This is
Hello,
Kevin.
Kev.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm from Home Resource and I'm in charge of product development and marketing. It's my honor representing Home Resource today to attend sourcing talk. Shall we start with the video, please?
Yeah. Sure. Yes. Yes. We'll play the video now. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So
Yes.
how can I use my PPT? Okay, that's great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
So today I'm going to briefly introduce Home Resource background, and then I'll introduce some interesting products from our company later.
Okay. Sure.
Okay, so about Home Resource. Home Resource is a lighting manufacturer, and we have been in the lighting industry for 35 years. We are specialized in outdoor lighting and indoor lighting, mostly residential lighting. So like the picture you see, outdoor lighting, the garden lights, the common wall lights, pathway lights, the floodlights, security lighting.
All right.
And also for indoor lighting, we have novelty lighting such as nursery lights, night lights, and some decorative table lamp, floor lamp, and pendant, basically. So we have two factories. One factory in Ningbo that is for outdoor lighting. And then for indoor lighting, we have another factory in Zhongshan, Guangdong.
Okay.
Yeah. So some history about Home Resource. Back in 1988, we established our headquarters here in Taiwan. And in later years, we set up our factory in Ningbo and Zhongshan for OEM, ODM, OBM bases. We have our in-house designers, and we focus on R&D and always want to bring new and unique design to the market. We have won the IF Design Awards and Red Dot Design Awards. So here's some picture about. Okay, so that's on the left downside. That's Taipei. That's where I am right now. That building. And then in the middle part, that is our Zhongshan factory, manufacturing indoor lighting. And on the right hand side, that is Ningbo factory for outdoor. And here's some picture for our factory. There's assembly lines, some fabrication equipment, and of course testing machine to ensure the quality and reliability, and our showroom. So that's just a brief our market share. So we have more than half doing business in European markets and about 15 to 20 for United States, and the rest in Australia, Latin America, Japan, and others.
Okay.
So today, I would like to introduce a product range that is really popular in the recent years. That is cordless lighting. We receive a lot of demands for this range, and it is still growing. So what is cordless light? Basically, it is a light that is portable, like this, like the light on my hand. It is portable. There is no limitation from the wire, because normally our table lamp, there's a wire that you need to plug on the wall, right? Yeah. So the application is limited because you can only use the lamp right there on the table. But for portable lighting, you can basically take it everywhere you want. So it has a wide application. So before I introduce the lighting, I wanna share a picture. This picture, we got this picture from Joe Biden's Twitter, the President of America. The picture was taken during the dinner time between Joe Biden's family and the President of France, Macron's family. So they're having dinner and with a cordless lighting on the table. So cordless lighting can bring, it is very convenient, and it can bring cozy vibes, creating romantic atmosphere. So how do I know this is a cordless lighting? Because that is exactly the same on my hand. We manufacture, we design and manufacture this lamp. So that is the first item that I want to share with you. This is Faro. We call it Faro. It has minimalist design. It has simple look. It is easy to use. It's very popular now in the United States. It is made of iron. It has 1500 milliamp rechargeable battery embedded. It has 3-level dimming.
Oh, it has touch control.
Yes, it's touch control. And the working hour is 8 to 60 working hours. So let's say, at lowest brightness, it can work for 60 hours. So let's say if you use for a nightlight, so you use 1 hour per day or 2 hours per day, let's say 2 hours per day, it will stay for 30 days, which is around a month. And then you have to charge. So basically the working hour is very long. So application for this lamp, it could be bar lighting, it could be restaurant lighting, to create romantic atmosphere. So we actually found it in the bar, steakhouse, restaurant, nightclub. I'll show you a picture like this. This is very famous nightclub in the Hollywood on the left hand side, and on the right hand side we found it in the steakhouse restaurant. So we even have more colors. We have rose gold, we have gold, we have black, we
Okay.
have silvers. Yes. So that will be all for Faro. And the next product that I would like to show you is the 55 series. We call it 55. It is very popular in European markets. Again, it's easy to use. It has elegant design. It's easy to use. It's touch on off, and
Same.
also it is water resistant. So not only for indoor, you can basically use in the patio, your backyard, and it has a very cool function. It's RGB. It's RGB changing.
Okay, so
Yes,
the
you can
color, the
select.
light
Yeah,
changes.
yes, you can select your desired colors for decoration. And recently, we even developed into a floor lamp version. So the pole, we have 3 poles. So we can transform the table lamp to outdoor floor lamp.
Oh, okay. So you
Okay.
extend
Yes.
the. Yeah.
And it's knockdown design. So basically, you can take the poles down, and then
Mhm.
you can choose the height of your floor lamp
Okay.
like this. From left to right, it could be floor lamp, it could be middle floor lamp, it could be table lamp, and for
Mhm.
indoor and outdoor.
Okay, great.
Okay. And the last product I want to introduce is Gaia. Gaia has modern design, and yes, and it is very functional. It is 4-in-1 design. So it could be a table lamp, it could be a
You can hang it.
nightlight. Yes,
Oh,
this
okay. It's
this is
detachable.
very cool because there's a strong magnet right here. So it is attached. It's very strong. So it could be table lamp and even a shorter version of the table lamp because there's 2 pole right here. So you
Okay.
can take one off and it could be shorter version. And for this one, the lamp head, it could be flashlights because it is water resistant. It could also
Also
be
many.
a pendant in the tent when you go camping. Yes, and 3-step dimming.
Okay.
Yes. So just like the picture, from left to right, the pendant, flashlight, short table lamp, and tall table lamp.
Mhm.
It is made of iron. It has 4,000 milliamp hour, 3-step dimming, and of course, it is water resistant, so that people can use for camping.
Mhm. Okay.
Yes. So uh, yes, I think that'll be all. Thank you very much.
Thank
And this is
you.
Kevin from Home Resource again. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Kevin. So, thank you all for sharing your top products. Now we go. Now we go to the what's this? To the wrap up questions. If we have questions or comments, yes. Hey. So there was some feedback on the high share wireless presentation that showed the high share products. So it's a very good solution according to Karen Chen. Okay, so now please tell us why should very briefly each of you why should buyers source from your company and what are the main benefits that you can offer? Let's start with you, Kevin.
Uh, we are the direct source, very competitive price than others. And second, our good quality assurance and control system will ensure safety purchase and save the cost. The third, we will give many ideas or designs to cooperate with our buyers. The most importantly is our long-term gaming experience will lead to less the mistake and the cost down. And our so we will take care every stage. We cooperate with our customer for the development. This
Okay.
is why we keep a very close relationship with our buyers at every stages. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks. Thanks, Lance. Now we turn to Belen. Same questions, please. Why should buyers source from your company, and what are the main benefits that you can offer?
Yeah.
Okay, so we CYP Cypress Technology has dedicated in next Pro AV, I will say professional audio and video field for over 30 years. So most of the leading branding and next field are our customers. That means our products quality and our R&D technical skill to meet their requirements. And because we just give them our company profile video, so I believe through our video, the audience will know more about us.
Okay. Thanks, Belen. Now let's go back.
Cypress Technology, CYP, provide the Pro AV solution which connects between sources and sync devices since 1990. Our solutions cover audio, video extension, distribution, format, converting, and resolution adopting. Furthermore, we implement of controlling the venue's scenarios.
When Pro AV meet IP, it brings Pro AV to new era. The AV over IP solution can fit any layout and scenario, no matter what switcher, splitter, or matrix configuration. Our AV over IP controller features with advanced design. The source change can be done by drag and drop. All of images can be previewed on controller to ease the installation and monitor status. The medical imaging devices such as endoscope, ultrasound, X-ray, vital sign feature with variety interfaces. In addition, zero latency on video transmission, which are most challenges we face in nowadays. CYP medical integration solution is able to be integrated images and videos of medical devices, then display in one monitor. To streaming and recording all of images and videos are able to be achieved for surgical recording, education, seminar purpose.
CYP not only provide comprehensive Pro AV solutions, but also Pro AV analysis tools to support engineer to quick analysis the problem in field site.
So let's go back to Lance.
Hi.
Yeah. Sorry, to Kevin. Tell us why buyers
Hi.
should source from your company. Hi again, and what are
Okay.
the main benefits that you can offer?
Oh, okay. Like Brightech and CYP, we're a factory And I think a factory means we can offer a reasonable price and control the good quality to our buyer, our customer. And we also have our own in-house designers. We got some design works, and we aim to provide our buyer the unique designs. And sometimes we co-innovate with our customer. And last, Home Resource has been working in the lighting industry for the past 35 years. So we have experience from design, manufacture the product, and to ship, delivering to our customer, and even after service issue. So all in all, Home Resource is a company and a partner that our buyer can trust to work with for many years.
Okay, and there we have it. We hope our guests have provided you with leads to sourcing products from Taiwan. Again, thanks to our three suppliers. Brightech International Company Limited specializes in gaming accessories for TVs and smartphones. Cypress Technology Company Limited, which offers professional AV solutions, and Home Resource Industrial Company Limited, a manufacturer of novelty and indoor lighting products. For those of you who are interested to find out more about their products, please go to their homepages. Links are provided below. You can also find more consumer electronic products from Taiwan. Just go to www.globalsources.com. By the way, watch out for the next episode on July 4, which will be about quality assurance in electronics manufacturing. Thanks for tuning in and have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye
You're
bye.
welcome. Bye bye.